Now our next topic is dissolving an acid or base in water. So mixing of an acid with water is called dilution. It is observed that when a concentrated acid is diluted with water, heat is produced. This dilution of an acid in water is an exothermic reaction. So, if we are diluting an acid, the concentration of H plus ions per unit volume in the solution decreases. In other words, you can say that the solution becomes less acidic. The same is true with bases also. When we dissolve a strong base and dilute it with the help of dissolving it in water, then the OH minus ion concentration per unit volume decreases. So the base will become less basic. So both the type of dilutions of acid or base, these are highly exothermic in nature. So the heat produced can break up that container due to the release of excessive heat. So acid or base should be added drop by drop into water, and not in opposite way. It is because that when the heat is liberated, it is absorbed by water. So water should be taken in large amount, and acid or base should be added drop by drop in it with constant stirring. This is the correct way to dilute a strong acid and base. Now let's discuss our next topic, that is to measure the strength of acid or base. It is found that in water or any neutral solution, the H plus ions concentration and OH minus ions concentration are equal, that is 10 raised to the power minus 7 moles per liter. All of you are now aware about mole also, and mole per liter is the SI unit for concentration. So if we are talking about neutral solution, it is not that it is not having H plus ion or OH minus ions. Actually what happens that in neutral solution, H plus ion is equals to OH minus ions, so they cancel out the effect, and as a result the solution is neutral. So if the concentration is equal and it is 10 raised to the power minus 7 moles per liter, then the solution is neutral. But if the H plus ions are more rather than OH minus ions, then the solution is acidic, whereas if H plus ions are less than OH minus ions, then the solution becomes basic. So for any solution, the product of H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration is always constant and equals to 10 raised to the power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. This is known as ionic product of water. So ionic product of water Kw is equals to H plus ion concentration multiply OH minus ion concentration, which is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Sorensen, a Danish biochemist, in 1909 suggested a method to measure the strength of H plus ions in terms of pH, which is Danish language, in which P stands for potence and H stands for hydrogen ion concentration. So it is potence d hydrogen, which means power of H plus ions. The formula used for pH calculation is pH is equals to minus log H plus ion concentration. But this is not given in your syllabus. This will be told to you in higher classes also, and you will be given some questions also related to it. So here we will be just studying about the introduction of pH scale. So now coming to the next point, solutions with pH 0 to 3 are strongly acidic. The pH 3 to 5 is moderately acidic, while pH 5 to 7 is weakly acidic. Then solutions with pH 7 to 9 are weakly basic. With pH 9 to 12 they are moderately basic, and pH 12 to 14 are strongly basic, whereas the solutions having pH 7 are neutral. So by checking the pH scale color and the values, we can calculate or we can identify that whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral, and we can also calculate its strength according to this scale. Now here the pH scale is shown. It is given pH 0 to 14. The scale represents the numbers also acidic and basic. 7 it is neutral. On the left hand side it is acidic character strongly, moderately and weakly. Then on right hand side it is basic character weakly, moderately and strongly. Above the scale the powers are also given. 10 raised to the power is given related to H plus ions and OH minus ions. pH is also calculated using pH paper, as I have told you before, and by identifying the color we can detect whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. So for acidic the color is pink, red for strongly acidic, then pink for weakly or moderately acidic, and for very weak acids it is orange or peach in color. Then at 7 neutral it is light green in color, and moving towards basic it becomes dark green, sea green color, and with bluish touch in it, and strongly basic will be navy blue or dark blue in color.